This video is sponsored by Roadflex, the smartest fuel card and expense management platform for fleets. The MyGeotab Dashboard is unique to your user account, so you can personalize this to make sure it shows the data that's most important to you. For this example, I'm going to collapse the menu here so we've got a slightly better view, and we can always expand it again later if we prefer to see the details. Now that our view is adjusted, you can click these dots here and choose Hide from Dashboard to clean up any reports you don't need to see. If you ever change your mind and decide you want to see one of these reports again, just click Show Hidden Reports, click the one you'd like to see again, and navigate to the bottom of the screen where it now displays. The next thing you can do with these is reorganize them. If you want to put this report back at the top, we can hover over to see the little arrow icon, click, and drag the report anywhere we'd like it to go. The other options you have here are to download the report, which you can also do by clicking on the graph without having to go through this menu, edit the report, which we'll cover in a separate video, and view the report page, which is a useful feature for figuring out what datasets a report is built on.